Here I have Nokia G20 and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. So what you have to do is to just put the tool inside the hole on the slot will come out, and now you can put your SD card here and also your SIM card here, and then put slot back into your device like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires the pin code to my SIM card, which is to prove that SIM card is readed. And there's also a notification SD card found, which is to prove that SD card is also readed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.